a place instilled with the wonders of a natural paradise. A place that many seek, but only a few find. Innovated living experience with expressions designed to leave lasting impressions. A lifestyle that is up close and personal with nature. Here, greenscapes are woven together with a network of sky bridges designed to bring you closer to nature. Here, life is enriched and holistic every step of the way, and occasions are always made special. Recreation comes hand in hand with relaxation, while thoughtful facilities coexist with the environment, offering leisure and calmness. So that you can be one with yourself and one with the world around you. The world you call home. Living at Astoria means coming home to paradise. And coming home to your own natural vacation space every single day. Indulge in time alone at the hanging hammocks, tucked away in a quiet corner of the woodlands, or bond with those that mean the most to you. Every moment is precious here in its naturally enriched living space. Astoria extends new levels of enjoyment with its fascinating array of indoor facilities for all generations. Serene gardens, calming waters, and architectural creations form a beautiful canvas on which life happens. From daily recreations to weekend indulgences, there's always room for leisure here. Unique features are aplenty in Astoria, all designed to enrich the lives of its residents. The pocket sky lounges, for example, are perfect hideaways high above the cityscapes. The residences themselves span from 560 to 1,500 square feet, with distinct features to suit different needs. And while they may be individual, they all share a few common qualities: a warm, intimate sense of luxury and ample space. High ceilings create a sense of freedom, and clever layouts ensure that you will have every opportunity to craft that dream home of yours. While vast windows offer stunning panoramic views of the world outside. This is an address unlike any other. A true luxury city residence crafted upon a tapestry of natural splendor. And it is yours to discover.